morning, everybody. So it is competition day here now, Saturday, and yeah, we just got to the track. Rome's car's already up on grid because he is the first battle, so I think he's going to try and get his practice laps out of the way, make sure the car's good because they've done that whole subframe swap. Yeah, the boys were here till I think like 1:30, 2 o'clock this morning, and now we're back at the track at 8. So 3:30 was the knockoff, so crazy. So, but there was so many other teams here as well, like working on their shit, engine swaps, gearbox swaps, clutches, like there was just so much going on. But hey, it's all fun and games, and we're all out here playing this silly game.
Willies.
Oh my god. Woo! That is so sick. Holy shit. So yeah, we're over at the car show because we thought that, well, practice is on right now, but we caught up with Tyler. We'll go see his car in a minute, but Steph spotted a Laurel, and fuck, it's sick. I love it. So this is Alex's car. We met him on Drift Week. The bro knows. So sick. It's kind of like Dana's car. Crack up. Alright, so Rome's just finished practice, managed to get 6 laps in, and I think 6 laps maybe? Yeah, 6 laps, so he said the car feels amazing now and feels good and is ready to kind of go to battle, so we're going to go change some more tyres, and then he's the first battle up because Matt Field has a bye into the top 16, so yeah, we've got to get it done. The boys are just kind of going to check over the car and make sure everything's good, but everything looks sick, and it looks like he's driving all right.
Okay, I gotta go get the new one.
You good? Is it better?
You guys go.
It is better that we have steering now, for sure.
That's
so
handy.
That helps a lot. Heaps better, right?
Heaps better, yeah.
A wee bit better.
A wee bit better. No, that's good. I'm glad. Well done. That looked good on the TV, on the live stream.
Oh, you guys can see them?
Yeah, just like some dudes filming just one area. Looks good. Alright, tyres done, got some new fronts, just because left foot brake drags are just kind of flat spotting them, so yeah, car's good to go. First battle up now, I think, or very shortly. Show me your sign, brother. Love it.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're up in the stands and like it's just about to be the top 32 and look how packed it is already. And the pits is full, like there's so many people still in the pits. But like the grandstand's getting full, like it's getting packed. And there's so many people still in the pits, so yeah. Rome's the first battle up. Scott Taylor Hull. Yeah, he said the car feels good and is as good as it's going to be, so hopefully he can just put it together and keep it calm and keep it clean and take home the win. We'll see what happens. Alright, so turns out Taylor Hull needed to take us 5 minutes and then couldn't fix it, so Rome's actually got a bye to the top 16. So first up battle will be Rome versus Matt Field in the top 16. So sick that the row's through. Obviously not the way you want to win, but hey, we'll take it, and all is good. Alright, Cookie? Everything's great. So we're on. So it's going to be a little while now to the top 16, but sick, we'll just get to sit back and enjoy. Rome's got it all going on, big Mr. Famous guy. We're watching the TV. Forsberg got it, I think, because Hurst hit the wall. Woohoo! How about you?
Oh man.
Look at this. Don's got it going on. Look at this.
Here comes off a little bit towards the proximity, but still
we're on. Alright, so I've been walking around getting all the driver signatures for the skateboard for at home. It's crazy out there, like there are so many people around. There's a pit walk going on. Yeah, so at the moment there's it's just a bit of downtime before the top 16 starts. And they're actually quite far ahead of schedule, so it's going longer, but there's so many people here and the pits are just like crazy. Merch going everywhere, signatures and all that, so it's pretty sick to see. It's crazy how many people are out here, supporting all the drivers and stuff, so yeah, it is so packed and there's just people everywhere. It's sick, it's good to see. Alright, it is battle time now, top 16. You're getting ready to go out for the parade. Good luck, brother, please.
Thank you, buddy.
Get it done. Don't suck and you'll have fun. Alright, so Nancy's going out as his umbrella lady. And we're all going to head up to the stands. Everything's great. Do better. Alright, let's go. Look at the stands. Holy shit!
Yeah, waves.
Crazy.
You see up front of you right now, the young men and women wearing the blue t-shirts have made a commitment to serve in our United States Air Force. That E-36, the garagistic bi-tour battle commander BMW from Southern California, RCP, Rome Charpentier. Next up,
Get in there, boy! Go! Go, brother! Yes! Perfect! Go, brother! Yeah! Woo! Get in there, boy!
Brian, deputy star. Here we go. Information. Was do not cut the line to gain proximity. If you
Yeah, baby! Woo!
That was the best example. Not seeing any other.
One, two, yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Feels but just pushes too hard.
Alright, so now it's the top 8 battle between Rome and Chelsea. Come on, brother, do it. Get it done. Like, Chelsea's a gangster, but hopefully Rome can yeah, stick it to him. Let's go.
Coming out of those chutes. 80 miles an hour roll sharp.
Alright, so that's the day done. I'm sunburnt to shit. Super sick event. Crazy. Rome did really well. Unfortunately, made a mistake in his top 8 battle against Chelsea, but then Chelsea went on to win the event. So we got second. But no, massive thanks to Rome and everyone for having us. It's been amazing, and this event is crazy. FD is sick. If you guys ever get a chance to get to any of the rounds of Formula Drift, make sure you do it. It's sick. The pits are sick, how everyone's just like, there's so much merch and so many drivers and heaps of things going on. So yeah, my voice is gone from yelling, and it was sick. It was honestly cool. So cool being in the stands, catching up with a whole bunch of Drift Week guys. Yeah, we're gonna come back to the track tomorrow and yeah, see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this one here, guys. We got heaps of packing up to do. Everyone's packing up, trying to get all sorted before it gets too dark. But yeah. Also shout out to all the guys, all the Americans and other people over here that I met and said that they watched the channel or saw me on Jimmy's channel or whatever. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, thanks heaps, guys. Please make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.